Today's cars require coolant as a fluid. It prevents the fluid from freezing in cold weather in addition to preventing the engine from overheating. The engine might sustain permanent harm if it doesn't have enough coolant. It becomes challenging to guarantee that the fluid levels are correct when coolant is leaking from a hose. You must understand the cause of coolant leaks from the hoses because of this. In this video, we'll discuss the causes of coolant leaks and how to stop them. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. We will start with the causes. Cracked or damaged hose. The hose becoming damaged is the most obvious reason why coolant would leak from it. Although the hoses are strong, they are not unbreakable. The material may suffer from the ongoing heat and wear. The damage may initially only consist of a minor crack, but if the problem isn't fixed right away, a hole could easily develop and all the coolant could leak out. Not enough clamp torque. Clamps secure the hoses in place. To keep the hose in place, each of these clamps needs to be tightened to a specific torque. The clamp may become loose if insufficient torque has been applied, allowing coolant to leak out. The area where the hose connects to the clamp will emit moisture. Faulty hose clamp. The clamp may still be broken even after you've used the proper amount of torque. The metal clamp begins to deteriorate and change shape over time. The coolant will begin to leak if it is not exerting the correct pressure as a result of flaws. Once more, the clamp will be surrounded by this moisture. Coolant system overpressure or overheating. A cooling system that runs too hot or has excessive pressure can be caused by a variety of defects. The hose may blow out and leak in either of these circumstances. The most frequent problem is when a hose becomes kinked. While this won't immediately harm the engine, it does reduce coolant flow, which can cause an engine to overheat. The motor and the hoses suffer damage from the constant pressure. Something is going to blow eventually, maybe even one of the hoses. How to fix coolant leaking from hose. It's crucial to stop all leaks when repairing the cooling system. In the absence of fluid, the system may still overheat, which could result in a catastrophic engine failure. While some of these fixes are straightforward, others call for specialized knowledge or tools. Perform only the tasks for which you feel qualified. Replace hose clamp. You might need to replace the clamp if it cannot be tightened enough to stop the leaks. Even though clamps are built to last a long time, they are still susceptible to flaws and wear. Fortunately, the majority of hose clamps are reasonably priced. It won't cost a fortune to purchase some new clamps. Tighten hose clamp. It's crucial to only tighten the hose clamps to the manufacturer's specifications. In the same way that you don't want to leave the clamps loose, you also don't want to over-tighten any of them. Either circumstance may result in leaks. For the right way to service your car, consult the service manual. A screw-type hose clamp should generally be tightened by applying pressure, but not so much that the rubber hose jacket passes through the screw slot. You risk cutting the hose if you squeeze that tightly. Run the engine while tightening the hose. Watch the vicinity of the clamp while it is operating to make sure nothing is leaking. If it continues to leak, you might need to proceed to the next step. Replace hose. The hose must be replaced if it has been harmed or torn. Some hoses are straightforward to replace, while others may be more challenging. Take on only the tasks you are most at ease with. To find the right procedure for your vehicle, we advise reading the service manual. Fix overheating issue. You must first deal with the overheating issue if the hoses or clamps break. Low coolant levels could cause the engine to overheat, but this is a simple problem to solve. It might also be the result of a mechanical issue, like a broken thermostat. A kinked hose is one issue that is frequently ignored. A kinked hose prevents coolant from flowing as it should, which can result in an overheated engine. It is best to spend money on something sturdy because high-quality hoses don't frequently kink. The best remedy for kinked car hoses is to swap them out for better ones. Visit a mechanic. The cooling system is complex and crucial, so it's best to leave the work to the experts if you are unsure of what you are doing. The diagnosis can be taken care of for you by an auto repair shop, and it typically won't cost more than an hour of labor. Get an estimate from the repair shop if you don't have the necessary tools to handle the repair. For peace of mind, pick a mechanic who provides a warranty for the completed work and read online reviews. To prevent the car engine from failing, it's worth every penny to pay a high-quality mechanic a little bit more.